Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We are back again for another tech vlog and we are here live sa Shopee event here sa Shopee HQ in Podium in Ortigas. So naka-encounter tayo ng another tech brand. This is the itel smartphone. This is my first time to see it, mag-hands-on tayo. They had a very interesting price. Naalala ko during the pandemic, I really want to get some of the tech brand na to, na itel, dahil super affordable yung kanilang smartphone. But now they are offering a much more better specs and also the pricing, it's very crazy. So this one is 5,299. So this itel S23 4G will be on sale this Shopee 99 at sabi nila 30% off daw. So yung 5,299, mababawasan pa yon. So ano bang specs netong itel S23 4G? So before I do the hands-on, I'll share to you some of the tech specs para at least maintindihan natin ano ba yung ino-offer ni itel. Alright, so sa Shopee, available ito. Okay guys, ito yung tech specs ng itel S23 4G. So ang kanyang Fineflex as meron siyang 6.6 inches HD na display na may 90 Hz refresh rate, which is good. So taas yung kanyang refresh rate. At ang kanyang body is meron siyang color changing design. So they have meron siyang color na puti daw, magiging parang reddish. Ito, di ko alam ano maging kulay nito. At OS niya is OS 8.6. So pwede niyang ma-upgrade for a much more seamless experience. At I'm just reading their specs here. At ang kanyang camera, for the rear camera, it's a 50 megapixel camera. So I guess meron pa siyang isa pang camera for the depth of field or whatever. So I guess sir, ano ba to? Triple camera ba to? Triple camera? Dual camera. S23 50 megapixel and ano yung isa pang camera niya?
Ano ba?
Yung rear camera niya.
50 megapixel.
Isa lang. Isa lang.
Hindi, dual camera po siya.
Dual camera. Ano yung second camera niya?
For depth sensor po, para mag-blur yung background.
Anong specs?
Portrait.
Portrait. So wala siyang specs. Wala siyang specs. Ayun, ang sabi ko kanina. And then, they have three kinds of variant. Isa is 8GB RAM na may 128GB of storage. Isa naman is 16GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. At itong hawak ko is a 16GB of RAM na may 256GB of storage na may SRP na 5,299. Tama. At yung iba naman is 4,799 at yung isa naman is 3,999. Oh my God, napakamura nito, no? At meron siyang 5,000 milliampere of battery with 10 watts USB Type-C chargings. Ayun ang kanyang specs. Wala na ako may share. If you need more information, go to the itel Facebook page or sa Shopee. So since hawak ko na to, let's do a hands-on test with the itel S23 4G. Okay, let's do this. Alright, here's the itel S23 4G. So this is the body of the phone. Napaka ganda ng kanyang likod. It said it's a color changing. Pag natamaan siguro ng UV light, magbabago yung kanyang kulay. So let's check out the body. There's a logo of itel here and says it's 50 megapixel ultra camera for the rear camera. And the other one daw is for portrait or DOF of photography. Meron siyang ditong LED flash. So that's the rear camera sa harapan. So this is the front camera, dewdrop design. So ito yung side niya. Top, malinis. Sides, SIM tray. And meron siyang ear jack, microphone, USB Type-C, tsaka isang speaker. Sa right side is, I think it's this is a power button and also the volume. So ito yung itsura ng itel S23. Is some of the information here. Let's go to the settings. Check natin, system. And okay, hanapin natin yung about the phone. Wala akong makitang information about the phone. Here's the my phone, itel S23 Android 12. CPU niya is UMS9230. Sabi Unisoc daw. 8 megapixel of front camera. 8 megapixel of front camera. And a 50 megapixel dual camera for the rear. 256GB of storage. 8GB plus 8 GB to expand. So it's 8 GB siya na merong plus 8 GB of extended RAM. Yung pala yun. 5,000 mAh, 720 yung screen niya. And that's it. Mukhang okay naman siya. It's very fast. Oh my God, for the 5,300 plus, no? 5,299. Phone, napakaganda niya, oh. Let's check out the camera. Check natin camera. This is the rear camera for the photography. And I don't see any wide angle capability. Pero ang bilis ng camera niya for the photo. Zoom in. Medyo grainy na siya pag nag-zoom tayo. So 1x lang siya. For the front camera, ito. Check natin yung AI. May AI na siya. O na ba? HDR AI. Very fast. Very impressive yung camera niya. Very fast. Yun nga lang. Kailangan ayusin mo yung kulay. Depende sa lighting. The rear camera is nice, Kasi 8 megapixel yung front camera. Itong rear camera is very nice. 50 megapixel. And for the video, there's the video. I guess it is 720p. Ayan. Oop. 1080p. 1080p. And for the rear, okay naman. Walang delay. Ito pinakang gusto ko, walang delay. This is 1080p. 1080p video. So okay, up to 1080p video. So meron siyang short video, video mode, photo mode, portrait mode. This is very interesting. May bumubuoke siya. Mag-isi natin yung kanyang settings. Ayan, portrait mode. Bumubuoke siya ng konti. Ayan. Meron siyang super night mode. At for the more the AR shot, Ultra HD, that is for photography, Pro mode, panorama, time-lapse at HDR. HDR, parang in-stack niya yung 3 kinds of photo para mas maganda yung ganda nung sa HDR. So that's a very interesting specs of the itel S23 4G. Check it out, yo. Mag-sale to sa Shopee, abangan ninyo. So yung 5,299, mababawasan ng 30% off. Do the math, nakalalaman nyo yung pricing nito. Alright? So, okay, that's it guys for our hands-on test. Biglaan lang to here sa Shopee event. So, thank you guys for watching. So, see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, Thank you kay itel.